Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into the top 5 PC cases for 2024, perfect for building your ultimate gaming rig or high-end performance workstations. And also don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button to get notified. Now let's begin. First up we have the Corsair 7000D Airflow. This full tower case offers exceptional airflow with its mesh front panel, making it perfect for high-end performance builds. Key features of the 7000D Airflow is spacious interior for E-ATX motherboards and multiple GPUs. Supports up to 12 120mm fans or dual 420mm radiators. Tempered glass side panels to showcase your components. For the second PC case on our list, we have the NZXT H7 Elite. The H7 Elite combines sleek aesthetics with advanced cooling options, ideal for minimalistic yet powerful setups. Key features of the H7 Elite is it has tempered glass front and side panels for an elegant look, pre-installed RGB and fan control hub for customizable lighting and cooling, room for up to 360mm radiators ensuring excellent cooling performance. Next up we have the Fractal Design Meshify 2. Known for its stylish mesh front panel, the Meshify 2 ensures excellent ventilation and modern design. Key features of the Meshify 2 is a versatile layout with ample space for large components, easy to clean filters and modular storage options, high airflow design with support for multiple radiators. Next up we have the Lian Li 11 Dynamic Evo, a favorite among PC enthusiasts. The 11 Dynamic Evo offers a balance of style, cooling and flexibility. Key features of the Dynamic Evo is it has dual chamber design with plenty of room for water cooling setups, tempered glass front and side to display your build, modular design with extensive cable management options. And last but not least, we have the Cooler Master Case H500. The H500 stands out with its large mesh front panel and dual 200mm RGB fans, perfect for high airflow and aesthetic appeal. Key features of the H500 is two pre-installed 200mm RGB fans for excellent cooling, mesh front panel for maximum ventilation, and support for multiple radiators and extensive storage options. In conclusion, these top 5 PC cases for 2024 offer a blend of exceptional cooling, spacious interiors, and stylish design, making them ideal choices for high-end performance builds. Whether you are looking for optimal airflow, extensive customization, or sleek aesthetic, there's a case on this list to meet your needs. Thanks for joining us. If you find this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button to get notified on my upcoming videos. So see you next time. Bye.